top 3 aha moments that shaped your trajectory as a scientist.
I think the moment I realized that I was useless in the lab, that was an aha. I knew that for a long time, but I had to somehow try before it was settled question. So that really set the direction for what I wanted to do. So I was very focused from that point on learning programming and molecular modeling techniques. And that's also how I met my PhD supervisor. And so that was one. Then the second aha moment was during my postdoctoral research, finding how fruitful collaboration can be. That really changed, and that I have sort of the the possibility and an ability to somehow interact with other people, form projects, and carry out those together. Whereas I initially viewed science as someone sitting alone in a room doing simulations. That's a little bit how I was raised somehow, that you worked on a problem. Maybe that's how I saw it in the cartoons. There was this crazy scientist alone in the basement. That's how I viewed science. But now it's much more collaborative.
Yeah, you mentioned. Please go ahead. I'll comment afterwards. You mentioned the cartoon and the crazy scientist, and I had a mental image that came into mind. Please.
I don't know. Yeah, I think those are two things. I realized collaboration would be very important for me, and that I'm not an experimentalist. And also what I talked about, this difference between explain and predict. Okay, scientists think they can explain all things, but can they predict it? That's something that I still struggle. Every time we do a project, I think, okay, did we predict this or did we explain this? I really want to do perspective science, that we can use these models. We need to prove that the computational methods can guide drug discovery, not explain what happens.